Welcome to Mom First YouTube channel, and today you are joining me for the fifth and the last video on diastasis recti rehabilitation exercises. And in today's video we will be using the fitness loops. So I am holding two loops with me. The green one is having a medium resistance and the blue one has the heavy resistance. So you can choose which one you want to use. I will choose to do with the green one specifically when I'm doing the arm workout, and I will choose to do the blue one when I'm doing the leg workout. Okay, so from where to get the loops for your exercises, send us that in the comment section that you want the loops and we will send you the link. Yeah. Hi, my name is Dr. Aditi Singh. I'm a women's health and a pelvic floor therapist, a pre-postnatal fitness coach, and a diastasis recti rehabilitation specialist. And I am here as your postpartum mentor and coach. And I was so happy that you have joined in all the 5 videos on diastasis recti series. If you're somebody new who's watching this video and you are a new mom and suffering from weak core, poor posture, low level of energy, and you feel that you might have diastasis recti, you can start doing all the videos, step by step. All the videos start from the first one, and the last video we use a ball. So last 2 videos are specifically with the props. And if you have not still subscribed for our YouTube channel, subscribe for the channel and press on the bell icon. And let's get started with these things in my hands. So we'll start in this position using the loop. Now, if you don't have the loop and you don't want to wait for the loop, and if you have the fitness band, so how to make the loop out of this fitness band is just make a knot. One knot and the second knot. Yes, and you can use it. So this can be used, and depending on the type of exercise, you have to keep changing the loop and you have to keep increasing the diameter of this. So you can do that. Okay, so let's get started with today's exercises. So I'm just holding the loop across my wrist and I'm making a fist nicely. Shoulders are down away from the ears. Shoulders back, spine straight, and now inhale and stay. Exhale and just pull apart and release. Connect with the core, pull into the pelvic floor and release. And reach, release, and reach, release. You will feel these muscles, and you need these muscles to carry your child, to lift your baby. You need your arms and shoulder strength. And if you have diastasis recti and weak shoulders and weak arms, it's not good. So if you have weak core, if you have diastasis recti, postpartum core weakness is there, we really need to work on the arm strength and the shoulder strength. We'll just do 2 more times. One more and pull. Yes, you must be feeling these. Yes, now inhale and stay, relax the position. Exhale and press out. Come back in. Come back in. Come back in. Feel those arms. 2 more. 1 more. And now stay there. Inhale. Exhale and pull apart. Release. Release. So exhale, you are focusing here and you are focusing here. If you feel any tension around the neck, means you are elevating your shoulder blades. We don't want that. So pull, release. Release. 2 more times. 1 more. And yes, you are feeling those muscles there. Let's continue, but now for the next exercise, I'm using the heavy resistance fitness loop because I am starting with some leg workout. So uske liye kya karenge? First thing, you have to wear it. Yes, across your thighs. Yeah. And then you lie down slowly. Yes. In neutral position. So this is the position here. Now you can just place your hands on the belly just to feel the breath. Yeah. Now both the feet should be hip distance apart. Maintain that nice neutral, nice arch at the low back. Now inhale and stay. Exhale and pull apart. And come back slowly. And exhale and open. And release. Release and try to maintain the neutral throughout. We don't want to overarch a lot at the low back. We don't want to strain the low back. 2 more times. And 1 more. And come back. Yes, nice. Now next one. I'm lifting my left leg into tabletop position. So you remember tabletop position from the first video, right? Now, this is inhale. On exhale, what I'm doing, I'm pushing down, forward and down. And feel the resistance of the band across the thigh. Come on, continue 3 more times. Push, maintain the neutral. 1 more, and stay. Now hold that position, maintain that arch at the low back. Lift the leg up and lower down. So I'm lifting with toes pointed away, and I'm going down with flexing the ankle, stretching into the calf. Up, up, and down, and other leg is maintaining in that nice neutral position. Feel those thighs connect with the inner core nicely. 2 more, and 1 more, and come back to the center. You must have felt work on these thighs. Yes. And up on the other side, inhale and push forward. And push. Push nicely, feel these muscles. Each exhale, try to connect with the inner core. Try to contract the pelvic floor muscles. Each inhale, relax those muscles there. And 2 more. 1 more. And stay, hold that position, connect nicely, up and lower down. Reach, 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 down, toes pointed up, inhale, flex the ankle, pull into the calf, and up 2 more, 1 more, and yes, you must have felt nice work on these thigh muscles there. Yes. Now what we are doing is inhale, stay neutral, exhale, imprint. So imprinting, you remember, right? From the first video till the 4th one, we have utilized imprinting. Now hold that imprint, lift one leg up in tabletop. Still hold this position and lift other leg up in tabletop. So now this is known as tabletop position, both the legs. Now inhale and stay. What we are doing is known as toe taps. Hold that position and down. Continuing on the same side. So what is happening? I'm connecting nicely with my inner core. Also, the pull from the band is giving good resistance to my thigh muscles and the core muscles. 2 more. 1 more. And on the other side. If you feel that you have coning, right? If you have diastasis recti and the midline coning, you have to really exhale out forcefully, strongly. Always try to exhale and draw the belly in. 2 more. 1 more. Now, slowly one leg down, other leg down. and let go. Okay, now come into the sideline position. So support your head, place your hand just for the extra support there, and bend your hip and knees. Yes, we are doing clamshell using the band. Both the feet are together. Inhale and stay. On exhale, pull into the band. So you are opening into the hip. You are doing external rotation on exhale and come back. Come back. Feel these outer hip muscles there. On exhale, connect with the core and lift. And come back. Feel those muscles. 2 more. And 1 more. And come back. Now the next one is inhale and stay. Exhale, you are lifting completely, fully. Now when you are lifting the top leg, try to press the bottom leg down into the mat. Yes. You're pressing this leg down, lifting this leg up on exhale. Come on, just 2 more. And 1 more. But this is not it. Stay there, inhale and push. And you will feel this is happening, it's okay. The band will come up, fine, it's fine. Push. Push nicely. So along with the outer thighs, we are working into the glutes, the buttock muscles. And press, push. And push. Come on, feel the burn. And 2 more. And 1 more. Yes, you did great. Now on the other side. Yes, everybody is on the other side, right? Yes, so same position, hip and knees are 90 degrees. Just stabilize here. We're doing clamshell. Stay inhale. Exhale. Yes, exhale, connect nicely. Keep breathing, keep moving, feel these muscles. And 2 more, and 1 more. Continuing with the other one. On exhale, up. So you are just lifting slightly and come back. So your thigh should be just parallel to the floor. So we are not doing this. We don't want this movement. We just want this one. And 2 more times. And 1 more, and stay, inhale. On exhale, push. Yeah, see again it happened. And push. And push. Okay, any one of you, if you are feeling any kind of pubic bone pain, right, when you're doing that, avoid. And meet a pelvic floor physio or a woman's health physio. And down. Yes, now let's come in all 4 position. Yeah, so in all 4 position, come on your elbow. And if you remember, we have done this all 4 series, the 3rd video series of this diastasis recti rehabilitation exercises. So check that out. Now hold that position, maintain, inhale. On exhale, push. So you will feel that your range is not as much as it was in the 3rd series. And push. 3 more times. 2, 1. Yes. On the other side, hold that position. And stretch out nicely, maintain the alignment, Keep working on your arms. Come on, 3 more. 2, 1. Very nice. Now from there, come in all 4. Okay, so in all 4, both the hands just below the shoulders. In this, what we are doing, inhale and stay, and you are just opening into your hip. And this is a little challenging. So I don't want you to tilt and twist, yeah? So maintain that alignment. Connect and draw your abs in. Okay, imagine there is a hot cup of tea here at your low back and you don't want that hot cup of tea to fall. So you have to really stabilize as you are opening and closing. If you do something like this, that teacup will fall, yeah? So keep visualizing that hot cup of tea at your low back and exhale and open. Yes, stabilize. Do it slowly and easily. Make a sense of your muscle work. Feel those arms. Feel the outer thigh muscles. And just 2 more times. Come on, and 1 more. Yes. Now let's do on the other side. Same thing. Just see if your hot cup of tea is still there or it has gone down. Come on, maintain that stability. Come on, 3 more. And 2. And 1. Nice. And go back and take a side stretch. And roll up. So this is it for today's workout, and this is it for actually your diastasis recti rehabilitation exercises. So what we have tried to do is to give you a sequence of exercises to work to heal your postpartum core. Yeah. Again, it can be any type of childbirth, vaginal birth or cesarean section. Whenever you are ready, whenever you get the green signal from your doctor, you do these exercises. Start from video 1 and then come to video 5. Do not do it randomly. Yeah, if you felt, oh my god, there is a ball exercise, let me do first with the ball exercise. No, there is a sequence to it, and try to follow the sequence as much as possible. So this is it for now, ladies. Thank you for joining me in this 5-part video series on diastasis recti exercises. I'll be coming up very soon with another series. And if you have not subscribed still, do that right now. Click on the bell icon. This is me, Dr. Aditi Singh, a women's health and a pelvic floor physio, pre-postnatal fitness coach, diastasis recti rehabilitation specialist, and your postpartum mentor and coach. Stay tuned. Follow Mom First. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye. Happy exercising.